Hello and welcome to another video. So got an unboxing for you. It's from Iron Shop Provisions, one of my favorite stores. Have a lot of good stuff at that store. Highly recommend checking them out. They are online or in person, I believe. They have like a flagship store. I think it's in Louisiana. That's where this came from, so pretty sure that's where it is, but their online store is definitely one to check out. So let's get this open and see what we got. So I have been wanting a piece like this for a while. This is really nice. This is another Ironheart, of course. Their hunting jacket in a buffalo check. And yeah, this feels absolutely beautiful. Looks beautiful, feels beautiful. And I'm liking it so far. This is a wool buffalo check jacket. So yeah, I've been wanting a check jacket ever since the beginning of winter. I think they look super cool, super classic, nice and cozy. I've been looking at a whole bunch of brands like LL Bean stuff, but trying to find one in like that like heritage space that I really like, and I did come across an Ironheart in buffalo check jacket, so very, very cool. Iron Shop Provisions had one left in my usual size, which is a size small, and these, they said, tend to run a little bigger. They have another check jacket that is a little bit more slim and tailored, but definitely all out across the board in like every store that I looked for this. So went with the hunting jacket, which they said is a little bit more boxy, a little bit less tailored. So definitely went with small in my normal size. So I'm 5'8", about 147 pounds, and yeah, this fits really good. This is really nice. It feels like it drapes really nicely on my body. It's very comfortable. The material is pretty thick, but really soft. There's not gonna be much work in with this, which is good. And yeah, this has that over-engineered classic Ironheart zipper that so many of their jackets have, which I love this zipper. Right out the gate, it's so smooth, so nice. So yeah, I love this. This feels so comfortable, it's so cozy. And yeah, the hand warmer pockets are really nice. They're a little bit hidden, as they call them. You don't really notice them at first, but yeah, those are nice, comfy, and cozy. You get two bottom pockets, two top pockets. Also, there's like a little smaller hidden pocket on this one as well, which is nice. That's cool. One thing I didn't totally notice is the pockets are sewn on the side, so it's kind of a little hard to access them with those pocket flaps being sewn on both sides. Not a huge deal. I tend to really not use all of these pockets on my jacket, but it definitely makes it a little bit harder to get your hands in there. So just something to consider. It's not like that, however, on the bottom pockets. Those are nice and accessible. Very nice. Yeah, two-way zipper there. There is like cinches on the sleeves. However, they don't really do anything. I don't really see another button to really adjust that at all. Just pure decoration. Also these on the sleeves to keep water and wind out of the sleeve area. So overall opinions, yeah, this is really nice. It feels like really classic. I'm sure I can't really see myself right now, but I'm sure it looks really classic and timeless, just like the way I wanted it to look. Again, I love buffalo check flannel. I love anything flannel, and I just wanted that like warm, kind of cozy piece that I can wear as a jacket or just like hanging out inside to keep me warm. So yeah, this is really, really, really nice. So this comes in at $6.58 from a store called Franklin & Poe. Obviously, I bought the last one from Iron Shop, and I don't remember exactly how much it cost off Iron Shop. I did have some discounts, and there was actually a 10% sale discount too. So I got the price down, I think, to around $4.50 is what I paid for this. But if you're looking for it new, Franklin & Poe, I think has, Franklin & Poe out of Pennsylvania, I think they have a few left in some sizes, and it's gonna run about $6.58. So there you have it on price. And yeah, again, fit feels really good. I would not have wanted to size up in this at all. And I think this fits pretty true to size for me, at least. I don't like long jackets, and I don't like big boxy fits. So this does run a little bit on the boxier side because it is like a hunting jacket. I'm pretty sure it is meant to be layered, and I think I can still do that. I could probably wear crew neck or a hoodie underneath this perfectly fine. But yeah, this just feels just right for me. Really, really, really loving it. Nice, it's a thick wool. I think it's a 14-ounce wool. It does have a polyester lining. Let's see if there is an inside pocket here on the left side. So you have that polyester lining, which it's nice because your arms glide really smooth through the sleeves when you put it on. So, but yeah, really, really liking this piece. And like I said, I've been wanting something like this for a while. Don't really currently have a buffalo check sort of shirt jacket. So just a classic, timeless piece. And if you're looking for one, Franklin & Poe, I think I have a few left. And there might be some out there at some other stores too as well. Always check the secondhand market. You can sometimes find stuff at a pretty good discount that's not too worn in and still definitely wearable and in good condition. So, all right, that's gonna conclude it for the video today, guys. Have a great day.